slogan, but as lived reality. Chapter 6, The New Order, Justice Restored and a Renewed Creation. Beyond the final defeat, a new order emerges. The restoration of all things. The book of Revelation paints a future where heaven and earth are joined, where sorrow is abolished, and where the Lord dwells with his people. This is not mere consolation. It is destiny. The old creation, tainted by rebellion, gives way to the new, a world governed by righteousness, peace, and the presence of God. Prepare your heart for beauty, not superficial veneer, but the deep, eternal transformation that makes all things new. Justice will reign, mercy will flow, and every tear will be wiped away. Share this hope boldly. The promise of restoration is the most potent answer to despair.